This is the fifth of geometry problems. It wants to know which line goes through 0, 3 and is perpendicular. The big thing you need to know is that you have two types of lines, perpendicular and parallel, as it relates to writing equations like this, that you have to know something about their slope. Perpendicular, I wrote parallel twice. Perpendicular and parallel. Here we go. All right. Parallel, if you've got y equals a over bx plus c, okay? Parallel has a slope that is the same, all right? So if you have the same slope, you're going to be using the slope a over b. Whatever that slope is what you use. Perpendicular has opposite reciprocals. Another way to say it, opposite reciprocal, is when you multiply the perpendicular slope with the original slope, they equal -1. Okay? Instead of a over b, you're going to do negative b over a. Okay? And I'm going to erase this a over b because I don't want you to get confused. The perpendicular slope is negative b over a. All right? Keep that in mind. Write this down in your little notes area if you want. But that's how that goes. So, all you have to know is perpendicular needs that slope only. If the slope is -5, that means -5 over 1. Okay? Hold on. Let me write that better. That means -5 over 1. Okay? Which means the perpendicular, upside down t means perpendicular slope, is opposite reciprocal. So 1/5, and it's going to be positive. This is the slope you'll use. Okay? You're going to write the equation. First of all, mx plus b. You now know that the slope you want is 1/5. Okay, and it gives you the point 0, 3. Hopefully you recognize that 0, 3, that means 3 is b when 0 is x, but let's just assume you don't. 0 and 3. So I put the y in for the y, the x in for the x, and the only thing I don't have is b. 3 equals 1/5 times 0 is 0, plus b. So 3 equals b, which means your equation, okay, grand total, there's your b, here's your m. So your equation is going to be y equals 1/5 x plus 3. And hopefully they're written in that form. They are, and so the answer is H. All right, so here's your redemption problem. Moving on to here, same type question, except this one just has different information. Go ahead and work that one out. Put this on pause. Check it with your teacher.